if you try to take a nap, there's still someone talking.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one.
Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you around the day in the life of an international transfer student studying at Seattle University, which is a very long title, I know. The reason why I'm making this video is that when I was researching about transferring as an international student, I couldn't really find any useful videos and information from the internet. So I thought maybe this video could be useful for people like me. And if you're not a people like me, I'll try to make this video as fun as possible. So right now I'm sitting in the library, and today I have I think 3 classes. Not I think, that's bad. I should be knowing that stuff. So first one is database class. The second one is languages and computation class. And the third one is gender and politics. It's a pretty busy day today. I have some assignments coming up. So yeah, let's try to get through this day together. I'll see you in class.
No is the saddest experience you'll ever know. Yes, it's the saddest experience you'll ever know. 'Cause one is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. One is the loneliest number, worth two. It's just no good anymore since you went away. Now I spend my time just making rhymes of yesterday. One is the loneliest, the number one is the loneliest, number one is
Okay. So I'm done with my classes for today, and right now I'm going home. And just gonna rest and make lunch. Yeah, that's about it.
It's just no good anymore since you went away. Number one is the loneliest, number one is the loneliest, number one is the loneliest number that you ever do. Number
juice that I just made wasn't as good as I thought. I think I should have added more water. So right now I'm a little late for class. It's 10:42. My class starts at 10:55, and I'm a little bit nervous, but it's fine. It's fine. No problem.
I would disturb your easy tranquility. I turn away the sad impossibility of your smile.
I forgot my charger. Fine, lad.
I'd like you to be unaware. And I just wander away, turning bodies behind things so you don't even know that I'm there.
That's it. Bye. So right now it's 6 p.m. I'm going to be taking a little break from my studies, and right now I'm heading off to attend the International Student Center's dining event, like a gathering event. I think attending a different event to take a break from your classes and, you know, enjoying a social event is very important, especially for international students who are studying not on campus, like off campus. It's important to hang out with people and, you know, try to not feel so alone in a foreign land. I guess that's a little bit too dramatic, but I think it's very true. So yeah, I'm going to go into that event now, and I'll see you there. Okay, so I just got finished with the event. It was very fun. Everybody was dancing at the end. It was really fun, but time to get back to work.
C'est le temps de l'amour, le temps des copains et de l'aventure. Quand le temps va et vient, on ne pense à rien malgré ses blessures. Car le temps de l'amour, c'est long et c'est court, ça dure toujours. On s'en souvient. On se dit qu'à 20 ans, on est les rois du monde et qu'éternellement, il y aura dans nos yeux tout le ciel bleu.
So today is Sunday and it's almost 2 p.m. and I just feel very lazy today. Just don't want to go outside, don't really want to do anything, but I have to do stuff, and yeah. I feel like during the middle of the quarter, like I start to feel burnt out often, and I think the best solution for a burnout is that you should just get up and do stuff. Like that's actually the best solution for a burnt out feeling. I mean, if there's any other solutions to burnout, to this feeling of doing nothing, like please let me know. But yeah, I'm just gonna like watch some videos and rest for a bit and try to get up in like 30 minutes.
Хэлгүй дагас, хөлгүй дагас би хобби. Химнэлгүй усанд, химнэл зохион сэлэн би хобби. Живхүүхийн хооронд, жинхэнэ үнэн голон гэж урсгал зүсэн айлан, усан амьдралд алхан. Үер голыг гадлан гэвч үнэн голоо дотроосоо айн хинч бишгүй загасны айлалтад асан хинч бишгүй хайр саргуулсан хайсаар олсон хайр минь амьдрал чи Ярдаг дагас, явдаг дагас би хобби. Яруу урсгалд ямар тайван бясалган би хобби. Хөвгчивхийн хооронд хөвдө авлан орно гэж урсгал зүсэн айлан усан амьдрал баясан үер голыг гадлан гэвч үнэн голоо дотроосоо айн хинч бишгүй загасны айлалтад асан хинч бишгүй хайр саргуулсан хайсаар олсон хайр минь амьдрал чи загасны замдах замагтаж дор